Hello, I am Dr. Varsha, your physiotherapist. We have heard and we have read so many things about carbohydrate, fats and protein. But in today's video, I am going to explain you how we get energy from carbohydrate, fats and protein. So let's get started. So all the energy on the earth comes from sun. Plants uses this light energy from the sun to perform chemical reactions and to make carbohydrate, fats and protein. Animals, including we humans, eat this carbohydrate, protein and fat, and we convert it into other form in our body. Like for example, in our muscle uses the energy obtained from carbohydrate, fats and protein like chemical energy into mechanical energy to perform movements. Basically 95% of the body is made up of 4 elements, that is oxygen, carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen. Oxygen 65%, carbon 18%, hydrogen 10%, nitrogen 3%, and other remaining elements are like in small portion like iron, zinc, potassium, magnesium, calcium. So all these elements or some of these elements join together and it forms compounds. So compounds which contain carbon is called as organic compound, like carbohydrate, fats and protein. All these contains carbon, so it is called as organic compounds. While H2O, which does not contain carbon, so it is called as inorganic compound. So our body is made up of organic compounds and inorganic compounds. So this energy exchange occurs at cellular level, and that exchange rate and speed is decided by enzymes. Like enzymes is triggered by 2 factors. One is temperature and second is pH value. When we exercise, our body temperature gets increased, and increased body temperature triggers enzymes, and enzymes level when enzymes level increases, it will increases ATP production, that is energy production rate, and your body will get energy. Oppositely, when we do strenuous exercise, our body, our muscle releases large amount of hydrogen ions, and increased amount of hydrogen ions increases our pH value, and when pH get increased, our enzyme activity decrease, and decreased enzyme activity reduces ATP production or energy production, and your body would not get energy, and this can be a real limiting factor while doing strenuous exercise. So in this way, while performing exercise, your pH, your temperature and your enzyme activity plays a key role. So this is all happens in cellular level. To understand that, now we need to understand the cell. So cell is discovered in 17th century by Robert Hooke. To understand cellular structure and function, we should know the 3 components like cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Cell membrane is the outermost layer of cell. It is the barrier which protects the internal structures from extracellular material, and it again permit substances through and out of the cell. Second is nucleus. Nucleus is the central large part of the cell. It contains genetic information, contains double strands of deoxyribonucleic acid. That is about nucleus. Now cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid portion of the cell, and it contains some of the important organelles like mitochondria. Mitochondria is called as powerhouse of the cell because it acts as a key role in cellular exchange of energy. So in this way, energy which we get from the sun is used by plant to produces carbohydrate, fats and protein. We consume it, and then at cellular level, by the help of enzymes, by the help of mitochondria, and in this way it is converted into other energy form. Energy cannot be destroyed, energy can be converted. So in next video we will be discussing in detail about carbohydrate, fats and protein. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe with your friends, and let me know your opinions in comment section. Thank you. See you in next video.